Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. In today's tutorial we will be doing this amazing glittery cut crease eye makeup. It's super easy to achieve. This eye makeup with a smoky brown and glittery eyeshadow is truly mesmerizing and suitable for any occasion you have in mind. So if you'd like to recreate this eye makeup look, make sure to watch the rest of the video and let's get started. I mixed these two eyeshadow colors, the dark orange and the dark brown, using a fluffy brush or a blender brush. Dip your brush into the eyeshadows and gently tap off any excess. I will apply the eyeshadow to my eyelid, blending it smoothly across the entire eyelid. So take your time for blending the eyeshadow to achieve a seamless look. You can typically find these eyeshadow colors in most eyeshadow palettes. However, I provide all the product information in the description section, so you can check it there. Next, use a concealer and a small flat brush for the cut crease technique. Start from the beginning of your eyelid and follow the natural crease of your eye and carefully apply the concealer up to the center of your eyelid. Since I have puffy eyes, I usually prefer not to extend the concealer too much above the crease because it doesn't suit the shape of my eyes, and also I don't recommend using a very creamy concealer for this technique as it tends to be greasy and takes longer to dry. It may smudge or transfer during the process, resulting in a smudged line on your eyelid. Personally, I don't use this concealer for dark circles, but I do use it for this technique. So if you have a concealer that dries quickly, it will make your job easier. Next, I use a very light and subtle eyeshadow from this palette and I apply it over the concealer using a smaller brush. This step can be optional since I wasn't satisfied with the color of my concealer, and applying eyeshadow can help to slightly dry out the concealer. The most amazing part of our eye makeup is applying glitter. This glitter is truly vibrant and captivating. You can choose your desired glitter color from your favorite eyeshadow palette, but for this eye makeup style, it's better to use silver or white glitter or even brown glitter, which enhances the effect. With a brush, I carefully apply the glitter eyeshadow to the inner corner of my eyelid. Next, with a clean and a small brush, we applied the same eyeshadows that we used for our eyelids to the lower lash line. Also, don't forget to apply the glitter to the lower lash line. Be sure to give it a try. It really makes your makeup shine and look even more stunning. I really love it. I complete my eye makeup with eyeliner. I usually extend the eyeliner to the center of my eyelid because it suits the shape of my eyes better. However, you can even extend it to the beginning of your eyelid according to your preference. I use false eyelashes and our eye makeup is complete. Thank you for watching this tutorial video so far. This eye makeup is very easy and incredibly beautiful. If this tutorial was helpful to you, please give the video a thumbs up and leave your comments below, or feel free to share it with your friends. Also, if you're interested in makeup and beauty, I upload tutorial videos every week, so to not miss out on the videos, please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate your support. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
When you alone, all I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby, boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. I'm on your mind and that you want this bad, so I'm cool with that. I'm just trying to match your words with your actions.